So let's go with another function. This one is a little bit easier, I promise. It's not that long, okay? So first we can, trace the diagram. And it's very easy. We see that we have like three inputs. They're gonna be X, they're gonna be Y, and we're gonna have Z here. And we have first not, okay? So I'm gonna write a not here. And just here, and that's X and not Y. And then I've got a very big staff that says, let me use another color. I don't know, nice blue that contrasts. That would be like X and not Y and not Z. So I will trace it here, second place. So I need a not set. So this would be like this over here. And there you go, not set and not Y. So I can take it from here. And the X can go directly from here, from the top, and just here. Just make sure that you rewrite like that big dot if you're connecting things. If you're not connecting things, just don't write that dot. And just let me finish with a color that contrasts. I'll go for an orange, maybe. No, a green. And I just have an OR of those guys. So that's an OR. I can do that right. Yep. And this guy over here, and up. And this thing over here is the A. That's the function we want to implement. Okay? So from there, I just have to do my truth table, and I'm gonna write it over here because I got plenty of space. Finally, I got space. And well, I got X, I got Y, I got Z, and there's like my basic elements. And you remember this table ain't gonna be like that long, so that would make it. And remember, that's just 0, 1, 0, 1, and 0, 1, 0, 1, two zeros, two ones, two zeros, and two ones, and 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and 4 ones. Okay, so we now see what we need to invert, and that would be like the Y and Z. So I'm gonna write it here, not Y and not Z. So this would be over here, and I'm gonna trace that line downwards, and the next line also downwards, and I'm just gonna change 0 for 1 here. So it's 1, 1, 0, 0, and 1, 1, 0, 0. And the sets are going to be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and 1, 0. Now we have like these three things. The two groups, the two big groups, and I'm going to write that in blue. And it's going to be X and not Y. So I just have to find the place where both of them are ones at the same time. So this is 1, 2, 3 zeros, and this would be a 1, 1, 0, 0. I'm gonna trace a line. Then X and Y and not Z. Okay, so I need to find a place where not Y and not Z and X are just ones at the same place. So just by inspection, I can tell that these four are gonna be 0, and this is gonna be 1, and this is gonna be 0, 0, and 0. Okay. And finally, my result. Yeah, I know, finally. There you go. And I'm gonna write just an A. I'm just gonna write a ones where there are ones. I just missed a 0 there. Ones where there are ones, zeros. If everything is 0, it's just 0. But I have 1. I'm just gonna write a 1 wherever it is. So it's gonna be 0, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, and 0, 0. So that is my function. Okay.